Losing loved ones has been hard in the past few months, especially for people with family living in long-term care facilities. Good evening. I'm Kim Chapman.
And I'm Josh Rowe. Tonight, or actually right now, the state gives these facilities 3 options for visitation. This includes outdoor seating, visitation behind a glass, or in a residence room 72 hours after a negative COVID-19 test result. Stephanie
LaChance shows us how this can be hard for some families and how one group is hoping to make a change.
Families with loved ones in nursing homes say it's been a tough 7 months without having face-to-face interaction. One family I spoke to say they believe their mother's health is declining because of this.
We just, at this point, want to see our mother outside in the air.
Judy Dodson says the last few months without face-to-face interaction has been hard for their family. Her mother has lived in Etowah Care Center the past 2 years, and the only way they can see her is behind this glass. Judy says that's the option they've been given.
You only have a very limited amount of time left with your loved one, and to lose 6 months or more, significant.
Alzheimer's Association of Tennessee says they're in the process of asking Governor Lee for rapid testing for visitors so families like the Dodsons can connect face-to-face after many long months.
We want to make sure that this is being looked at as a way to open those doors and get families some of that valuable time back.
They've started a petition and are looking for support from state representatives.
If you can safely test all staff, all residents, and then anyone who wants to visit, you can keep the nursing home free of further infection.
Dodson says the lack of social interaction is causing her mother to not be able to eat.
She's not as outgoing as she was. And we just feel like if we could have that outdoor visit with her and remain distant.
So she's asked to have a socially distant visit outside with her mother. She says the facility has said no.
When she looks at us and she wiggles her little fingers and we read her lips saying, "Come in," I'm sorry, it's just not acceptable now.
But the outlook may not be good for easing those requirements anytime soon. The White House Coronavirus Task Force puts McMinn County in the yellow zone. They recommend visits to long-term care facilities be prohibited in those areas.
Hug your mother and daddy, hug your loved ones. Help me to help all of us get back to see our families.
I'm Stephanie LaChance, News Channel 9.
And according to the Alzheimer's Association, 48% of nursing home residents are living with Alzheimer's or some other form of dementia.